Today we're going to be building the cube climber. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Just marking out the inner and the outer walls of this tyre, because this earth is really hard, so we're going to have to dig as little as possible. So for the cube climber, we've got 5 sets of 4 tyres that are going to be the same size. These truck tyres, actually all tyres, can be slightly different in their dimensions. Got a drill with an attachment on it. You can speed up the job really quickly by chucking one of those on, and a spanner. That'll make life a lot easier. We've already bolted those into sets of 4. Now we're just gonna get them all ready to go and connect them up together once we've dug our holes. We have laid out the tyres where they're going to be sitting exactly, and then we can use that as a reference point. So then we mark out with a bit of limestone where those holes are going to be. You want to have these opposite sides buried slightly deeper, so that when these other tyres are sitting on top, it's going to be nice and flush. So you're connecting these tyres into sets of 4, and then those 4 pieces are going to have another one sitting on top. You're starting out there just with 5 sets of 4 tyres. Then your top set of 4 tyres, you're going to have the 2 opposite sides sitting on top of those tyres, and then the other 2 sides bolted in on the horizontal plane. All the tyres in place, those sets of 4 tyres, and we can start bolting them together. Now we're on to the fun part of the whole process, which is painting the pieces. Get them nice and colourful and enjoy it. Have fun with them. Probably best to do the painting on the inside first. You want to make sure that there isn't going to be any places where water will be able to pool. So you won't be getting any mosquitoes in there hanging around and causing all sorts of havoc. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.